Hi guys, this is a video about how we cut our flower centers. Those stripes to make flower centers. And I show you how I do these stripes, how I cut them using my Cameo 3. This was a little bit damaged one. So you see, if you see this closely, you can see that there's no any leftovers on my mat, and the stripes are nice and thin and absolutely easy to make flower centers like this. So I'll show you how Cameo 3 cut my files, because I created my own files and they are designed for A4 sheet of paper. We also have files for letter size papers, so you can use them in Cameo, and which is really great in your CriCut machine. But we do not recommend to use those PDF files for CriCut machines, those SVG files, because for those stripy files, CriCut machine doesn't read them correctly. So what we recommend, and you get these when you purchase these files from us, as files or as a tutorial, doesn't matter. You get the link for the shared project. So when you open your design space software in CriCut, so you copy my link and paste it into your search window in CriCut design space, and with this you get my own project opened in your CriCut space on your computer. So you get exactly the same file I use right now, and you cut those stripes with no any leftover. Yes, CriCut machine is a little bit slower than Cameo, but anyway, when you cut these stripes this way without any leftovers, the speed is almost twice higher. What I love about my Cameo 3 machine, it allows you to see how much time machine spent for cutting this particular design. So we will be able to see. I think I know how to do this from here. So now that's the second part of my A4 sheet, and I design files this way, so you do not need even cut this sheet with scissors, because the machine does this for you. So you just take from your cutting mat, you just take 2 packs of stripes ready to use. About those mats, we have a good video tutorial which is free on our YouTube channel, how to make these homemade cutting mats, which will serve you for months and months, and they cost just $1 or $2 each. That's a funny one. I love this picture. So we are almost there, just a few steps to go. And now we finish. You can see this one pack, second pack. So we wait because that's paused and unload. That's actually what we got. You see? And now I take this off the mat. Yes, that's a tiny bit you need to tear. That's okay. Just for safety reason, I leave this one normal from each side. You see, one, and it is, can you see? That's absolutely clean mat. No leftovers. Here we go. Well, depending on how you place the paper sheet, you will have either thicker, tear this off, or thinner stripe. The first and the last one, just tear them off, and that's it. And others, they are absolutely similar and nice. You see? Ta-da! And no, oopsie, sorry, I think that I job summary. I needed to switch it on to show you. I'll try my next sheet of paper, and I'll post on Instagram how long it will take to cut one piece of A4 sheet paper for those stripes. So that's it. Enjoy these files. You can find in our shop, and they come as files only or with tutorial how to make flower centers included.